Can't remember acid-base balance for your Nclex exam? Watch this video. For metabolic alkalosis, the memory trick you have to remember is your O, which means vomiting. So in vomiting, a lot of acid leaves your body, resulting in alkaline nature. That means the pH increases and the bicarbonate increases from a lot of vomiting of acid. What are the signs and symptoms? If there is a lot of base in your head, headache results in confusion. A decrease in BP is for sure because vomiting results in decrease of body fluids resulting in decrease of BP, and there is a lot of dysrhythmias in your heart. One different key factor that happens is tetany and hypertonic muscles. That means there is involuntary ache in your muscles, and there is a lot of decrease in your respiratory rate resulting in hypoventilation. This is basically a compensatory mechanism of our body resulting in respiratory distress. So interventions for metabolic alkalosis is very easy. If there is a respiratory decrease, that means you have to monitor the respiratory distress. And for the removal of excess of base in alkalosis, you will give IV fluids to increase the acid and replace the acid in the body. This is obvious. If the patient is vomiting, IV fluids is the solution. And then if there is a lot of dysrhythmia that is happening, that means the potassium in the body is low. So we have to replace the potassium. Moving on to metabolic acidosis. For this, the memory trick you have to remember is acidosis. Through this, a lot of diarrhea happens, resulting in a lot of base that loses your body and the body becomes acidic. That means a lot of base is lost in the poop of the patient, resulting in acidosis. So the signs and symptoms are again very similar to alkalosis, that is headache, coma, decrease in BP because the fluid is being lost, dysrhythmias, and one key factor that happens is cold skin. So when the patient poops a lot, the skin becomes cold and clammy, and it is Kussmaul's respiration. That means deep but rapid respiration of the patient. So for interventions, we will perform dialysis to remove excess of protein and increase the base of the body. And then to remove the protein, we will also provide low protein diet, so no eggs for this patient, but a high calorie diet because the patient is pooping a lot, so you need to give him calories. Otherwise, there is a chances of the patient going into coma. So a lot of fruits and vegetables resulting in high calorie diet. Bye now.